there's obviously a big change in the metering market going on. The market-wide half-hourly settlement. So, enlighten us. What is that? Why is it coming in? Who's it going to affect?
So everyone, effectively. It's the biggest change since it was kind of passed to private companies, effectively. So, it's going to affect every single electric meter in some way, whether it's digital or physical. It's going to affect you. So, roughly around 30 million meters in the UK, and about 2.6 of those are commercial. So, it's quite a big percentage of that. So, effectively, all data now has to be half hourly. So there's a massive push for that from Ofgem. It's been going on for years already. It's going to go on for another few years. We need to kind of get geared up for it, effectively.
So what will you and your team be doing to help those customers affected navigate through this change?
So obviously there's two ends to it, effectively. There's obviously the prep, an organisation, and there's obviously the aftercare of it. So we are already a kind of oiled team in that department, but we're growing that as well. So we'll be looking after the potential contracts that you might want to put into place. If you're going to go direct, as previously mentioned, it's more advised to do so. We will deal with negotiations of said contracts. We can deal with any queries as well that may come from that, and listen to any requirements from your side. We'll basically be kind of the middleman between those, the you and the provider to kind of do that work for you. And then we also have obviously the aftercare, where we can portfolio manage if needs be. We can monitor usage and data as well of the half hourly data that will be coming through. Look for trends. Again, more intensive in terms of any faults that may arise, which is definitely being cracked down on with the market-wide half-hourly settlement. Pretty much anything that we're requested of, I'm sure we can find a way to fulfil it. Is
there a deadline associated to this? When do meters need to be changed by?
Yes, so March 2026 is the deadline for this. So effectively, if it's not kind of upgraded to half hourly by then, it doesn't matter. You're still going to get charged on half hourly rates. So you need to make sure that you're getting in earlier rather than later for that. So March 2026 is the deadline, which obviously sounds like a long way away, but in the energy industry, it's not, unfortunately. So that's the date we're working towards. But the acting sooner rather than later is pivotal, because there's undoubtedly going to be shortages of engineers, shortages of people to deal with contracts and staff management at the metering providers the closer we get to that time frame.